got a tag?
That's the tag I gave you. So on Anderson Road South going towards Ronald.
Copy. We put dispatches. I don't know what tag you gave us, unfortunately. 28, I got eyes on that car. Anderson Road South going down towards, we have 999.
It looked like it just lined out.
Where was the 9?
Got somebody running, bailing out. Where you have Ronald Road and Anderson Road South. Start fireboard.
Ronald Road and Addison Road South.
You out? Okay, are you okay? You okay? I'm sorry. Sorry.
Oh my God.
9 down.
I got her. I got eyes on that car. Addison Road South going down towards, we have 999.
Blog post today that has changed the local regulators.
No, I don't know. Get this car. Ma'am, get out. Here. Hey, he's running. Get the fuck on the ground. Get the fuck on the ground. I will fucking take you. Get the fuck on the ground. Get your hands on your back. Fucking move. Stay on the ground.
We put dispatches. I don't know what tag you gave us, unfortunately. 28, I got eyes on that car. Addison Road South going down towards, we have 999. Look like you just 9 out. Where was the 9 at?
His exchange is working with regulators.
Is he in there?
To offer 24-hour trading Monday through Friday.
Hey, he's running. Where is he? Where? Get the fuck on the ground! Don't you fucking move! Get the fuck on the ground! Get the fuck on the ground! Don't you fucking move! Stay on the ground! Put your hands behind your back. I got it. Stay on the ground. Hey, check on the old lady in that car! Don't move! Back! Fucking move! Stop moving! I ain't moving. I got him. Go check that old lady. 32, we got him. One in custody. Checking on the vehicles. Hey, you can call my call out. 300.
1828, where are you? I'm doing it. 28, I got one in custody. 1828.
Yeah. What's up with her? Where's the car? Oh, shit.
Can I give you a signal?
Shit.
Hold on.
Huh?
Can you one trap? Okay. Okay.
Shit, watch out. Hey, go ahead. Hey, unlock your door. Unlock your door.
1. Stand by unless it's urgent. I'm creating the 5 horse ball. Go ahead and step up. We got a child in the back seat of one of the vehicles that got hit. I'm direct. Just for verification, is he secure? Yeah, secure. Okay, this is Ronald and Addison, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll see all the lights.
Yeah, they'll see all the lights. Alright, who else? Sorry, I'm in the dark. How many total injuries are there?
Alright, 3 o'clock, I want it.
No more? Is that the kid or is that another one? Alright, 28. I need units to come out. We need to block Ronald and Asheville South. And looks like our lights already have the other side blocked off. We have.
What's going on?
The baby, stuck on the baby right there. You got some gloves? Got some gloves?
Yeah.
Yeah, check with her first.
I'll have lots of gloves.
I'm looking in the back seat. In the back seat of the car, some gloves right there.
What's going on, huh?
She in and out.
Hey, we can use 2 more units. Just assist with traffic control. Make sure we have a clean opening for the board.
I'm not.
Yeah, I'm an EMT too.
You okay? Okay.
All right. Can you check? Can you check?
You can see us though.
Okay. She got a phone. Relax. Okay, we got you. You got extra gloves?
You got a faint.
Yeah, she real faint. It's real faint.
It's faint. No, okay. I'll take that one.
You got extra gloves?
It's in there. Yeah, he got extra gloves in my bag. Where your gloves?
I got gloves. When I pulled her out, she was like just out of it. She was knocked out.
Did she hit her head?
Yeah, we got that.
She hit her head?
He was on the car.